Hello, my YouTube friends. Welcome to my colorful vintage wardrobe. I'm Lee. How are you? I hope you are all going well. Today, let's do some DIY. Let's repair this Louis Vuitton Amazon bag. This bag was made in 2003 in France. It's nice and clean inside and outside, but the problem is the vachette leather, this tab is broken, so I can't use this bag. It's a common problem of this kind of bag because as you can see, when we're wearing this bag as crossbody, and this leather part will be twisted and it's very easy to break. I don't know how much it will cost if I take this bag to a boutique and get this leather tab replaced. At the moment, I don't want to spend a lot of money to repair this little tab because I got this bag with a bargain price back to 3 to 4 years ago. So at the moment, I just want to do some DIY at home and repair by myself and see how the result is. If anybody know about the cost of replacement of these parts, please write down in the comments below. Thank you very much. I tried to use leather glue to glue this leather together and hold this bucket of the strap. But because the leather, this part is not long enough and not strong enough, so it doesn't work. So today I'm going to try another way. First, let me cut this part. Here I'm using leather sewing needle and waxed thread. Now I don't stitch into the leather. Instead, I only stitch under this original yellow stitch. Here I'm not sewing into the leather because it's so difficult to sew into the leather. I just sew into the original yellow stitch. So here's the result. It can't be compared to a professional repair, but at least it works. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, so you will not miss my next videos. See you next time. Bye bye.